Now here is how you can remove multiple apps at once on Android. So let me show you how it works. And if you are new here on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So you probably know, of course, that you can find like any third-party app, hold it down on it and click on uninstall, but it only applies to one app really. But we also have the ability to click on select right here and choose more apps, right? So you can see I can pick a few apps like this and I can uninstall it with a click of a button. So those apps which are now selected, you know, the OneNote, LinkedIn, Share It, and Instagram, I can create a folder, put them all in there, or I can click on uninstall and remove them from my device in a bulk. So that's how you can delete multiple apps at the same time. But this is not even the only method you can do it, because you can also go to the App Store, which is the Google Play icon. This is the app where you download more apps. And when you tap on your profile in the top right corner, this gives you the ability to manage your device. So you literally click on Manage Apps and a device, click on Manage, and these are as well the apps you have currently running on your phone. So this gives you similarly the ability to select all of the things that you want, right? It depends on which apps you want to remove, and you also have the trash folder in the top right, which also lets you uninstall and remove apps in a bulk, but kind of like using a different method. So obviously you can use whichever one you want, but that's how we can do this. Let me know if you managed to do it successfully on your phone. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later in the future videos as well.